In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix microphone echo here in a Windows PC or a laptop. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's a few methods to go over, so we're going to go over all of them right now. The first thing you're going to want to do is actually go down to this little sound icon down in the bottom right corner and just select it by right clicking it and then hitting sound settings. Scroll all the way down and you're looking for an option that says more sound settings. Go ahead and open that up, and once you do open this up, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. Essentially, go over to the recording tab, find your microphone on here, which this is mine right here. Go ahead and select that by double clicking it and then hit levels, and essentially just go ahead and adjust your levels right here, which is going to be that microphone boost. You want to lower it probably a little bit below this normal amount. Mine's set to 28, but click around and play with it to see whatever sounds right for you. And then of course go ahead and hit apply and OK when you're done. From here, check to see if your echo is gone. If it is still there, back out of this section right here and go down to the search bar. And what you're going to do is type in device manager and hit enter. It's going to pull up a page that looks something like this. And once you are on this page, hit this audio inputs and output section right here and find your microphone on it. Right click on it, and then from here, go ahead and select update driver. Hit search automatically for drivers, and then go ahead and hit search for updated drivers on Windows. Update, and just check to see if there's any updates. If there is, go ahead and update this, and that should help you out. And if you're still hearing an echo, try using headphones instead of speakers. Speakers can cause that sound to loop back into your microphone, creating echo. But after trying all these steps, you should be good to go. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.